Hi, did you know that with only $15, you can help feed a student for an entire month? With $60, you can feed a student for a semester. And with $120, you can feed a student for the entire school year. Sounds awesome, right? So why don't I take you firsthand and tell you all about it? St. Louis Bosnians Inc., in partnership with a Sarajevo-based non-profit, Pomozi, meaning to help, is dedicating the entire month of May for collecting funds for student lunches. With more than 17% of the country living in relative poverty and over 44% unemployment rate, many parents in Bosnia and Herzegovina are unable to provide any type of lunch or lunch money to their children while they are attending schools. In many cases, their meals at home are sporadic at best and greatly lack nutrition. I did read this off the paper, but that doesn't make it any less true. You see, last year's floods greatly demolished big portions of the country, and most of these kids that need our help, they're the ones who've been hit the hardest. So let's come together. Let's make lunch for students a success. $15 makes sure the student is fed for a whole month. $60, a semester. And with $120, that child, that student, they do not have to worry when or even if they're gonna get to eat. Making a donation is easy. You can do it online, you can do it through mail, or through your community. All around St. Louis, there are donation boxes in Bosnian and non-Bosnian businesses. Does that sound like something you want to do? Well, let's get together then, and let's do it before the sun sets.